Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante. Welcome back. This week we can go over my top 3 favorite dishwashers of this year. My number 3 is going to be this KitchenAid right here. It brings me number 3 just because of where the control panel layout is. It is a little bit more hidden, but you can still see it if you have it underneath your countertop. But if you go inside the unit, it has ample room, silverware basket, which is nice. And then our top rack, you can fit your wine glasses, stem glasses, anything like that in there. Pretty basic. It's nice. I like them. And that's why it's my number 3, just for those little things. It's just my personal preference. My number 2 is going to be this Whirlpool. I like how clean it is. I like having the control panel up here. You have all your settings. They're all pretty much similar. I just like this layout a little bit better. And I also prefer to have my silverware rack right here. Can't fit as many stuff in it, but I just like the practicality. And you can fit your glasses here like that KitchenAid. And you're pretty much internally about the same. Like I said, again, this is my personal preference. And my number 1 spot is going to be this Bosch. I like how clean it looks. I like the handle down here. And then you have your display, or your control panel, your display, and everything in between. What I really like and enjoy about it is that you have this 3rd level shelf. You put knives, silverware that's not fitting in the basket, or anything else that you find that's low profile. Doesn't have as much height or clearance as the other ones, but depending on what you cook or what kinds of pots and pans you have, that might not be a big factor. For me, it's not really a big deal. I can hand wash that type of stuff. I just really like the way this one looks, and that's why it brings me to my number 1 spot. They're also fantastic units. So that's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, come back next week. Thank you.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.